Hey there, fellow design enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of DIY chic with a project that's both stylish and surprisingly simple: the acrylic side table. Imagine a piece that effortlessly blends into any setting, adding a touch of modern elegance without overwhelming your space. That's the beauty of acrylic furniture. Acrylic tables are like chameleons of the design world. They effortlessly adapt to any style, from minimalist havens to eclectic bohemian vibes. Their transparent nature creates an airy feel, making them perfect for smaller rooms or apartments where every inch counts. But don't let their delicate appearance fool you. Acrylic is surprisingly strong and durable, promising a piece that's both beautiful and built to last. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting your crafting journey, this project is for you. We'll walk through each step together, from gathering your materials to putting the finishing touches on your very own acrylic masterpiece. Get ready to unleash your inner designer and create a piece that's uniquely yours. Why has acrylic furniture taken the design world by storm? Let's explore the magic of this versatile material. First and foremost, acrylic furniture just exudes modern sophistication. Its clean lines and transparent surfaces instantly elevate any room, creating a sense of openness and light. But acrylic's appeal goes beyond aesthetics. It's incredibly practical too. The transparent nature of acrylic allows it to blend seamlessly into any environment, making your space feel larger and less cluttered. This makes it especially perfect for smaller homes where visual space is precious. And let's not forget about durability. Acrylic is surprisingly strong and resilient, able to withstand the wear and tear of everyday life. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean up. Quick wipe with a damp cloth and it's as good as new. This makes it perfect for busy households or anyone who loves a low-maintenance lifestyle. Before we embark on our crafting adventure, let's gather our trusty tools and materials. Having everything on hand will make the process smooth and enjoyable, allowing you to focus on the creativity. For our acrylic side table, here's what you'll need. The stars of our show. You'll need 2 pieces of acrylic sheet, one for the tabletop and one for the base. Opt for a thickness of about 1/4 inch for a sturdy table that's still easy to handle. This is our magic glue that will bond the acrylic pieces together seamlessly. Choose a clear adhesive specifically designed for acrylic, ensuring a strong and invisible bond. To achieve those perfectly smooth edges, we'll need some fine grit sandpaper. Look for sandpaper with a grit of 400 to 600 for a polished finish. These tools will help us achieve those clean, precise cuts in our acrylic sheets. If you're using a table saw, make sure it has a blade specifically designed for cutting acrylic to prevent cracking. Clamps are essential for holding the acrylic pieces together securely while the adhesive dries. Opt for soft jaw clamps to avoid scratching or damaging the acrylic surface. Precision is key in any DIY project. A measuring tape and ruler will ensure our table is perfectly proportioned and balanced. For that extra touch of professional polish, a polishing kit or compound will help us achieve crystal clear edges. Now that we have our tools and materials assembled, it's time to prepare our acrylic sheets for assembly. This step is crucial for achieving a professional-looking finished product. Cutting the acrylic sheets. Using your acrylic cutter or table saw, carefully cut the acrylic sheets to your desired dimensions. If you're envisioning a circular tabletop, use a compass or a pre-cut stencil to mark a perfect circle before cutting. Smoothing the edges. Once your acrylic pieces are cut to size, it's time to smooth out any rough edges. This is where our fine grit sandpaper comes in. Gently sand the edges of each piece, moving the sandpaper in a consistent direction until they're smooth to the touch. Optional drilling holes. If you'd like to add an extra touch of flair to your table, consider drilling holes for decorative screws or bolts. Use a drill with an acrylic-specific bit to prevent cracking, and carefully mark the placement of your holes before drilling. With our acrylic pieces prepped and ready, the excitement is building. It's time to assemble our side table. This is where our vision starts to take shape. Marking placement. Before applying any adhesive, let's take a moment to plan the placement of our base on the tabletop. Use a ruler to ensure the base is centered and symmetrical, creating a balanced and visually appealing design. Applying the acrylic adhesive. Now for the magic glue. Carefully apply a thin, even layer of acrylic adhesive along the edges of the base where it will connect to the tabletop. Avoid using too much adhesive, as this could seep out and create a cloudy appearance. Securing with clamps. Once the adhesive is applied, carefully position the base onto the tabletop, aligning it with your markings. Use your soft jaw clamps to secure the pieces together firmly, ensuring a strong bond as the adhesive dries. Allow the adhesive to cure for the recommended time, typically around 24 hours, for a lasting hold. Polishing touch-ups. After the adhesive has fully cured, inspect your table for any rough spots or fingerprints. Gently polish these areas using your polishing kit or compound for a crystal-clear professional finish. Our acrylic side table is complete. How exciting. Now comes the fun part, styling it to reflect your personal style and enhance your space. Here are a few ideas to get your creative juices flowing. Embrace minimalism. Let the table's clean lines shine by keeping the styling minimal. A single sculptural object like a vase with interesting textures or a unique art piece can create a striking focal point. Play with textures. Contrast the smooth surface of the acrylic by placing the table on a textured rug or near furniture with soft, inviting fabrics. This interplay of textures will add depth and visual interest to your space. Embrace functionality. Side tables are all about practicality. Use yours to display coffee table books, candles, or even a small collection of plants. This blend of function and style will enhance both the aesthetics and practicality of your space. Highlight with lighting. Position your acrylic side table near a window or light source to maximize its reflective qualities. The way the light dances off the acrylic will brighten your room and create a sense of airiness. Congratulations on creating your very own acrylic side table. Now that you've poured your creativity into this stunning piece, let's talk about how to keep it looking its best for years to come. Cleaning acrylic surfaces. Acrylic is incredibly easy to care for, making it a dream for those who love a low-maintenance lifestyle. To clean your table, simply wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and a gentle acrylic cleaner. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can scratch or damage the acrylic surface. Preventing scratches. While acrylic is durable, it's still susceptible to scratches. To protect your table's pristine surface, consider placing felt pads under decorative items, especially those with rough or uneven bottoms. Handling with care. Although acrylic is strong, it's still important to handle it with care, especially during rearranging or moving. Avoid placing excessive weight on the table, as this could cause cracking or damage. By following these simple care tips, you'll ensure your acrylic side table remains a stunning focal point in your home for years to come. Remember, a little TLC goes a long way in preserving the beauty and longevity of your creations.